If you are seriously adverse to housework, then getting into the habit of completing these 6 tasks daily with just a few minutes work, you'll be able to keep your home nice and orderly. In at number 1, we have make the bed. I know that some people think that making the bed is a waste of time, but it really does make a big difference. Not only does it take a couple of minutes, but it makes it less likely for you to leave clothes piled up in the room. In at number 2, manage clutter. Whenever you leave a room, take a quick glance around for anything that isn't where it should be. Pick it up, put it where it belongs. Insist that everyone else in the household do the same. In at number 3, we have clean as you cook. Instead of filling the sink with dishes, wash them up or put them in the dishwasher as you prepare your meal. In at number 4, we've got clean up spills. By taking care of any spills, be it in the kitchen or the bathroom, immediately makes it easier to remove them now than later. Number 5, every evening once you finish washing up after dinner, sweep the floor. This will make the weekly mopping that much quicker. In at number 6, sort out the mail. We receive mail every day and most of that turns out to be junk mail. Instead of letting it pile up in the mailbox or on the counter, sort it out the second you walk through the door.